That morning coffee is a non-negotiable ritual for millions of us. It warms us up, gets us going, and slowly but surely leaves its mark. Not just on the mug, but on our smiles. Those yellow coffee stains can be a real blow to your confidence. But before you spend a fortune on whitening kits, look no further than your own pantry. Today, we're exploring completely natural, effective ways to fight coffee stains and brighten your smile safely. So why does coffee stain so badly? It's a double whammy. First, it contains tannins, the same compounds found in wine and tea. These tannins love to stick to the protein-rich layer on your teeth called the pellicle film. Second, coffee is acidic. This acid temporarily softens your tooth enamel, making it easier for those dark-colored tannins to penetrate and leave behind a dull yellow tint. Our natural methods work by gently lifting these surface stains without damaging your enamel. Alright, let's get to the 3 powerful natural stain fighters you can use. An ancient Ayurvedic practice, oil pulling is incredibly effective for oral health. The oil binds to the bacteria and plaque that hold those stains on your teeth. Simply take a tablespoon of high-quality organic coconut oil. It has the added benefit of antibacterial lauric acid, and swish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't gargle. Just push and pull it through your teeth. Spit it out, rinse thoroughly with warm water, and then brush as normal. Do this a few times a week for best results. This is a powerful 1-2 punch. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that scrubs away surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. Crucial safety note: only use a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution meant for oral use. Mix a tiny amount with baking soda to form a paste. Using your finger or a soft toothbrush, gently apply it to your teeth and brush for no more than 2 minutes. Because it's abrasive, you should only do this once, maybe twice a week. Overuse can damage your enamel, so moderation is key. Nature's candy is also a natural tooth whitener. Strawberries contain malic acid, an enzyme that helps break down and dissolve surface stains. You can simply rub a strawberry over your teeth, or mash one up into a paste. Apply it, let it sit on your teeth for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly and brush. The malic acid does the work, and the little seeds provide a gentle scrub. These methods are fantastic, but they work best when combined with smart habits. Here's how to protect your smile. Rinse immediately. After your coffee, swish with plain water. It's the easiest way to wash away staining particles before they set. Use a straw. This is a game changer. It bypasses your front teeth significantly. Wait to brush. This is vital. Never brush your teeth right after coffee. The acid has softened your enamel, and brushing then can wear it away. Wait at least 30 minutes. And a final important note: these remedies are for surface stains. For deep intrinsic discoloration, or before starting any new regimen, always consult your dentist. They can give you personalized, safe advice. So you don't have to choose between your daily brew and a bright, confident smile. With a little help from nature and some consistent care, you can have both. Here's to happy mornings and even happier smiles.